Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a logo in OBS Studio step by step. Adding a logo helps personalize your videos and streams with your own branding. So let's get started. First, open OBS Studio. Next, open the scene where you want to add your logo. Then, in the Sources panel, click the plus button. Next, select Image. Enter a name for the image source. Then, click OK. Next, click Browse. Select your logo from your computer. Then, click Open. Next, click OK. Your logo will now appear on the screen. Click and drag the logo to move it to the position you want. You can also drag the corners to resize the logo. And that's it. You've successfully added a logo in OBS Studio. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more OBS Studio tutorials and tips. See you in the next video.